Hey guys and girls, it's Liam here again from Tent World up in Townsville, here to show you around the Dometic Portable Gas Barbecue. Now I know what you're saying, Dometic don't make barbecues? Well, they do now. Now this one's a low pressure gas barbecue, so it is compatible with a lot of your caravan bayonet fittings. It's nice and compact, perfect for your camping trip, or you can just leave it on the patio at home. It's got a few good features on this one. So both of the side panels here flip up and come straight out, so you can store them inside the barbecue for transit, and both the legs down the bottom fold up, so when it is ready packed up in the back of your car, it's not taking up that much room at all. Now I really like this one. It's at a nice price at the moment. It comes with one grill plate and one flat plate. There's a few barbecue makers on the market that only give you that full grill plate, so if you want that flat plate, you got to pay that little bit extra, and that's where they get you. But not here with the Dometic Portable Gas Barbecue. It's just got that standard POL fitting, so it's gonna fit on most of your 9 kilo gas bottles. You've probably got one sitting at home already. And like most barbecues on the market, it does have a nice convenient slide out drip tray on the bottom there. So when you're done, you slide that one straight out, rinse it out, and you can go again. Also the handle on the front never gets hot, so you're always safe when you're opening up that lid. It also has a nice thermostat right on the front of the hood there, so you can always see what's going on inside. For a young barbecue enthusiast like myself, I do really like this little unit here. It's awesome for those Sunday afternoon roasts, bacon and egg breakfast, or just a few snags while you're watching the footy with the boys. These ones are available in all of our stores nationwide or in our online warehouse, so chuck those fresh white New Balances on, pull your socks up, come in store and grab yours today, or jump to the website and get it delivered straight to your house. Now thanks for watching, and as always, happy barbecuing.